Insulin resistance is a growing problem around the world. It can lead to fatigue, weight gain, sugar cravings, and even type 2 diabetes. But did you know there's a natural ingredient that may help your body respond to insulin more effectively? That ingredient is molasses. In this video, you'll learn how molasses may help fight insulin resistance and exactly how to use it the right way. Insulin resistance happens when your body's cells stop responding well to insulin. Insulin is the hormone that helps glucose, or sugar, enter your cells for energy. When the cells resist insulin, your blood sugar stays high. Over time, this can lead to prediabetes, diabetes, and other health problems. Molasses is a thick, dark syrup made during the sugar-making process. Unlike refined sugar, molasses retains important nutrients like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. It also has unique compounds that may support better blood sugar control and reduce insulin resistance naturally. Studies suggest that molasses may slow down sugar absorption and improve insulin sensitivity. Its minerals, especially magnesium and chromium, support the body's ability to use insulin more effectively. This means your blood sugar levels may stabilize faster after meals, reducing sugar spikes and cravings. Here's a simple way to use molasses daily. Step 1. Choose unsulfured blackstrap molasses. This is the most nutrient-rich type. Step 2. Take 1 teaspoon of molasses in a glass of warm water. Step 3. Stir well and drink it once a day, preferably in the morning. Step 4. You can also mix it with herbal tea or smoothies, but avoid adding extra sugar. Important, start with small amounts to see how your body responds. When used regularly, some people notice better energy, reduced sugar cravings, improved digestion, and more stable blood sugar levels. Molasses also provides trace minerals that support overall health, making it more than just a sweetener. It's a natural tonic. While molasses has benefits, it still contains natural sugars. People with diabetes or on medication should consult their doctor first. Avoid taking large amounts, as too much can cause stomach upset. Always choose pure, unsulfured blackstrap molasses for the best results. Molasses is a simple, affordable, and natural way to support insulin sensitivity and better blood sugar balance. Just 1 teaspoon a day, used correctly, may help your body respond to insulin more efficiently. Start slowly, stay consistent, and pair it with a healthy lifestyle for the best results.